we just got kicked off the flight because our 2-year-old would not put on a mask, and we tried. I mean, I'm gonna put a video on. And they're sending all of our bags and Adeline's car seat to New York. And we're banned off of United forever because a 2-year-old would not put on a mask.
Let me show you this time. Talk to me, okay?
I don't want.
Okay, let me say that to me. I don't want. Musa. Musa that to me. Okay? Okay, ako yung para sa ita. Do you have any?
Babe, do you want to try putting it on her?
Yeah. Go again.
Adeline, back up on me.
Musa that to me.
And ladies and gentlemen, we're almost ready to go. So please put away your carry-on items, including your large electronic devices like laptops. Feel free to keep using it.
I'm going to have to ask you to grab the belongings and let's go. You got to be getting it. No, sir. Why? We're over here holding this mask on her face. I'm sorry, sir. I gave you the opportunity. I took that opportunity and I ran with it. You see this? I'm literally covering her face. I've got to ask you to get out. You guys do this all the time or what? Like, what? There's non-compliance here. This is compliance. I'm literally holding it over my daughter's face. This is compliance right here.
We can't force her. She's literally holding it and she's crying.
You're gonna do this to us? Like right now? Yeah? Wow.
Alright, let's go.
Your jacket's up there.
Okay.